Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows search crashes, freezes, or is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first one is obviously to restart the computer, and it works. Why? Because it will also reset the file explorer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart it. The next one is to update Windows. This is very important. I'll tell you later why. So right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates and make sure that it is updated to the absolute latest version, because if a few security updates are pending, it may impact the search bar itself. The next one is to restart the search service. Now search for services and then go to the services app, and then you can scroll down to Windows search. Right click on it and then you can select restart. And the last one is to rebuild indexing. So search for indexing options and then open the indexing options. Okay, and then go to advanced and then click on rebuild. Okay, then you'll have to click on OK. I won't click on OK because it will take a lot of time, and till then the search results will be incomplete. But this should help. Actually, the main thing is that you should update Windows and restart the search service. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.